Today we are going to be working on a 2005 Pontiac GTO. We are tasked with rear suspension, which is rear shocks, rear springs. We also are doing front springs, upper mounts, and to finish it off, brand new bushings for the radius arms. Some of the parts that we will be installing today are King springs, Koni Shocks, all four corners, K-Mac caster camber kit, along with some traditional poly bushings for the radius arms. The customer wants more out of the vehicle. He wants a little bit more cornering. He wants the vehicle to handle a lot better than OE. So unfortunately, throughout this video, you'll catch us at one point where we do lose power. Thank gosh for our generator to keep the lights on, but it wasn't strong enough to power our Sawzall or our air compressor or any of our big fancy tools. Now that we are done with the two-post lift and all of our parts are installed, we will now drive it over to our alignment rack, where we will begin the process of making sure that everything is now in spec. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and then you'll get notified on all the cool things that we do around here.